Hey there, welcome back to Bull and Bill. Today we're diving deep into a question that challenges conventional wisdom. Do we really need credit? Stick around as we explore why credit scores dominate financial conversations and whether you can thrive without them. First, let's look at what credit really represents. Your credit score is a numerical summary of your credit history, showing lenders how reliable you are with borrowed money. According to Bankrate, this impacts loan approval, interest rates, renting apartments, and sometimes even job offers. It's like a report card for adulthood. But does this report card tell the full story of your financial health? Some argue it doesn't, and that's where the debate begins. Let's talk benefits. Why do so many experts champion credit scores? Bankrate notes that higher scores open doors to better loan terms, lower insurance premiums, and flexible financial options. A great credit score signals reliability, which lenders reward with lower interest rates, potentially saving you thousands over the life of a mortgage or loan. Imagine this: you're trying to rent an apartment in a competitive market. Your potential landlord checks your credit. A strong score might mean an immediate yes and favorable terms. Without one, you could face higher deposits or even be denied altogether. This scenario illustrates why people often view credit as a necessity. Now let's flip the script. What if you lived without credit entirely? According to Ramsey Solutions, it's not only possible but might be the more financially liberating choice. The idea is straightforward. If you live debt-free, relying on cash and savings, you don't need to play by the credit score rules. But it's not as simple as cutting up your credit cards. To succeed without a credit score, you need a well-thought-out financial plan. Let's talk strategy. If you decide to live without credit, you'll need to reframe how you handle major financial decisions. Experian explains that without credit, buying a home requires manual underwriting, a detailed process where lenders assess your ability to pay based on income, savings, and payment history instead of a credit score. This approach is gaining traction among those who prioritize financial independence. Manual underwriting is thorough, looking at factors like your job stability, income, and bank statements to determine your reliability as a borrower. Meet Sarah, a 35-year-old teacher who decided to live without a credit score. Inspired by debt-free living advocates like Ramsey Solutions, she shifted from relying on credit cards to using a simple cash-based system. She saved aggressively, managed her spending meticulously, and when the time came, bought her car outright. The best part? Sarah says she feels more in control of her money, unburdened by the monthly grind of paying off credit card balances. However, she admits it hasn't been without challenges. Let's get real. Choosing a credit-free path comes with hurdles. Experian points out that renting an apartment, securing insurance, or dealing with emergencies can become complicated. Without a credit score, landlords or insurers may view you as risky, leading to higher security deposits or premiums. Plus, the modern world isn't exactly built for cash-only living. Digital payment systems and credit card rewards programs create strong incentives for people to use credit. So, what are your options if you want to live without a credit score but still need financial flexibility? Money Under 30 offers practical advice. Start with secured cards or rental payment tracking services. These can help you establish a payment history without traditional credit cards. Other alternatives include building a substantial emergency fund and adopting a no-debt lifestyle. This means prioritizing a robust savings plan so that when big expenses come up, whether it's a new car, a home repair, or medical bills, you're prepared. Quick tips for the credit-wary. Here's a tip. Consider using debit cards linked to budgeting apps. These apps help you track your spending and stay on budget without using credit. Apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Mint are popular choices. And if you're concerned about safety while traveling or making online purchases, prepaid cards offer a secure alternative without impacting your credit. Fun fact: debunking credit myths. Here's a common myth we need to bust. Having no credit isn't the same as having bad credit. According to Bankrate, no credit simply means you lack a traditional credit history, not that you've mishandled debt. It's an important distinction that often gets overlooked. Some wonder, can I still get a mortgage without a credit score? The answer is yes, but with caveats. Manual underwriting is more thorough and takes longer than automated systems. Experian notes that you'll need to show consistent income and a strong savings track record. However, if you're prepared, it can be done. Financial experts like those at Ramsey Solutions advocate for this method. They argue that by avoiding debt and building a strong financial base, you can avoid the stress and pitfalls associated with credit. So, what's the takeaway? Credit can be a valuable tool, opening doors to lower interest rates and easier rental applications. But it's not the only path. Living without a credit score is possible and even desirable for those seeking financial independence. It requires discipline, strategic planning, and a mindset shift. Whether you choose to build credit or live without it, the most important thing is knowing your options and deciding what aligns best with your goals. Thanks for sticking with us through this exploration of whether we really need credit. If this video helped you think differently about your financial future, give it a like, subscribe, and tell us your thoughts in the comments. This has been Bull and Bill, your guide to financial wisdom. See you soon!